Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Tommy.
And today we got 2 new things for us to try out, for you guys to watch us try. The first thing is a little bit strange, I think. It's from my aunt. It's freeze-dried ice cream sandwich space food. When I went to Houston my very first week, my aunt came out and just hung out with me. When I went to work, she went around Houston. She went to the Space Center, or Space Museum, I guess it's a museum.
Space Museum, yeah.
And she gave me that for Christmas, so we thought we'd give it a go and try it out.
Yeah.
There's 150 calories. It feels very strange, like it's freeze-dried. It's so weird.
Okay.
Total fat is 5. There's 23 carbohydrates. So 2 grams of protein. There's a plus. 2.
Yeah, 2 whole grams.
2 whole grams. Near the back of the package. So anyway, so I thought we should try it out since we've never done it. It's here.
Okay. It's vanilla flavored, it looks like.
All right, let's see. Yeah, that just smells weird.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, that
It looks like an ice cream sandwich.
yeah.
Just freeze-dried.
Freeze-dried.
Okay, let's... This is really weird.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's like just like an ice cream sandwich, but it feels so weird. It's like chalky. Feel it.
It's very light.
That's super light. Like
It's bendable. Just kidding. Yeah, I mean it's look at the close up there.
It looks just like an ice cream sandwich. How interesting.
Yeah.
But it's freeze-dried. All right.
Try it out.
Straight up. We're going to break it in half and see what happens. Ready? Oh. Okay, that kind of made a mess.
I'm only taking a bite.
I know, me too. Hopefully it's good. I mean, I don't even know.
That's what the inside looks like.
It's
a little like kind of hollow and bubbly.
Yeah, look at that. It's weird. Oh my, it's weird.
All
right, ready?
Let's do it.
This is so weird.
It's crunchy. Dry.
It's super dry.
If anything, you get more of the taste of an ice cream sandwich from the bar, the dark chocolate cookie bar.
Yeah, then versus the actual ice cream bar.
The ice cream. It's got a weird aftertaste.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's not the best, but it works.
Yeah, definitely.
If you want to try something different. Out of Ghost, I would say, which by the way, we're drinking Ghost pre-workout mixer.
Pre-workout mixer.
Well, it's a energy mixer. So yeah,
it's really good.
It is good. I would say 5 ghosts.
I'm giving it a 4. It's my favorite.
Yeah,
it's very interesting. It's so much fun. Thanks, Aunt Susan, as always.
To try something new.
She gives us the funnest stuff to try out. Okay, yeah, it was a little bit messy. Yeah. I didn't realize it was going to be still messy, but yes, it is. All right, so next up, again, another present from my awesome Aunt Susan. I'm going to hold that one up. It's kind of heavy.
Yep. So we've got On the Rocks. There it is right there. It's the winter collection. It is got Old Fashioned, Cosmopolitan, the Aviation, and the Espresso.
Now I know one of them is we've tried the Effin brand before.
Is that what this is? Is Effin?
One of them, I thought I saw Effin on it.
We'll take a look. So here's the On the Rocks Premium Cocktails Espresso Martini. Yeah, it's from Effin Vodka.
Now remember, we tried the Effin, I think, cucumber vodka.
There's the Effin logo right there.
Which I think is just hilarious. We were not a fan of the cucumber that much.
The Aviation.
Ooh. Are they all Effin? No.
The Cosmopolitan. Yeah, they're all Effin. See the Effin's logo on the corner.
But not that one.
Oh, that one's Larios.
This one's Larios. Interesting.
And then an Old Fashioned from Knob Creek. Crafted with Knob Creek. So we are going to just take shots of these.
Yeah, just because,
to taste.
To taste them out, see what our thoughts are in each one.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you choose the first one. Which ones do you want to try?
I think the one I'm not going to like the most is the On the Rocks Old Fashioned.
Okay.
It's a rich and smooth Old Fashioned crafted with Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey.
Excellent.
Let's Does not sound excellent.
Oh,
Sounds caca.
it's not gonna be caca. I love that you said that. Oh my gosh, you.
Oh, it even smells bad.
Let's see. Oh, smell. Oh, wow, that smells strong.
Yeah.
This
It's called
is
an old fashioned because we have more taste buds now, I think.
Yeah. We're not big bourbon drinkers, but that's okay. We can do this. Ready?
Okay, chin chin.
Chin chin.
Oh.
Okay, that is a bourbon.
It is. It's definitely got the nice,
Wow.
high, smoky, sweet taste.
Oh, yes.
And it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
It's really good. Actually, wow. I'm not a big bourbon drinker. I'm not a fan of it. I mean, but it is very smooth. The flavors come out so well. Wow. I'm giving that an 8.5.
7.
I-
6.
I enjoyed it more than I thought I would. Again, we're not bourbon people, but if you want a really good bourbon to try out, I would give that, high marks. So, Knob Creek, Old Fashioned. Wow, pretty good. Okay, I think next, let's see. Let's try the Espresso Martini.
Okay, espresso martini. So we're gonna have like a little bit of a coffee, I'm guessing, taste. There we go.
Woo!
Ooh, it comes out a little
Wow,
thick.
it looks thick.
Well, I don't, not like thick like syrup, but it's definitely got some, syrupiness to it.
Syrupiness to it. Do I need to put it back
Yeah,
on?
go ahead and put that back on.
All right. Let's see.
Very coffee smelling.
Oh, yeah, smell that coffee.
Yeah.
So if you like coffee.
Yeah, then you'll probably like this.
Yep. All right.
Chin chin.
And gin. Oh, okay.
The coffee taste is very much there.
Oh,
it almost
nice.
takes away from the burning taste at the end.
Yeah, almost. But man, that's a good coffee one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a huge fan of coffee flavor. I always joke that I like coffee with my creamer. So, I'm not a huge fan, but for what it's worth, it's not bad.
Yeah, I actually quite liked it. I like coffee. I like coffee flavored things. I'm going to go ahead and give that a 9. Just because, one, the last time we tried the effing vodka, it was that cucumber stuff, and I did not like that. So I'm personally surprised about this is actually a lot better than I was expecting.
Yeah, the espresso. I'll give it an 8.
Okay, excellent.
Cosmopolitan or Aviator?
Let's do Cosmopolitan. We'll save the Aviator for last.
Okay, so this is another effin'.
Another effin' one. I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm gonna give a rinse really quick.
Some things you guys don't realize. Doing like 4 or 5 shots at a time gets us a little tipsy for the night. I get sleepy and tend to fall asleep early when we have too much
shots. That 99 also just
oh yeah, that 99 makes me just like within usually an hour or two I'm asleep. Personally.
Yeah, it hits hard.
It does hit hard. But so far this has been really good. I'm feeling quite nice. Not drunk, not even maybe a little bit buzzed, but
yeah, I feel fine. Like, I mean, you got to figure these are meant to be drinked as like cocktails.
Yeah, big cocktails.
And we're just doing shots of them, so.
And we haven't really even looked at like the alcohol content, which we can look at in a few minutes. But let's try this out.
So smell.
Oh, not bad.
It's almost like a fruitiness, right?
Yeah. Wow.
This is the Cosmo.
The Cosmo.
Yeah.
Oh, Cosmopolitan. Oh, wow, I like that.
It's refreshingly tart Cosmopolitan crafted with effin', vodka, and triple sec.
But tart. I don't like things tart.
All right.
I'm not a big tart fan. Okay, here we go.
Chin chin.
And gin.
So just like the coffee, it takes out the burn.
Oh,
except
wow.
in this case, it's definitely a
fruity.
A tartness. Yeah, the sweet.
There's a little tart, which I'm not a big huge tart fan, but I quite enjoyed that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I could see that over ice and, drinking it just by itself, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
I am going to do a monster.
Do you still have this?
Oh, I still have some. Oh, okay.
We love our ghosts. Yes,
Yeah.
we sometimes drink monsters. Ghosts can get expensive, but
Yeah.
we love our monsters. All right, last but not least, some Aviator.
A dry and aromatic Aviation crafted with Larios gin.
Gin. So we've had an old fashioned with bourbon, 2 vodkas, and now a gin.
And also, I'll say this: they definitely close them up tight.
Yep.
All right.
This has been actually very interesting. I feel very it's very high class almost, but not quite.
Yeah. No, I think so far my favorite though has been the Cosmo.
Mine has been the Espresso, followed by the actually old fashioned, then the Cosmo. I like the Cosmo, but man, those other 2.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, here we go. Last one. Smell it.
Smells tart again, right?
Yep, a little bit.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Ooh. Wow.
For me, it's a hard differentiator between the Aviator and the Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
They almost feel like the same thing, except for one's made with vodka and one's made with gin.
Yeah, except for with the Aviator one, there's not as much Bernie at the end.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. I would say that. I mean, it doesn't have the triple sec. I don't know what else is in there. It just says it's a fine. I don't know what an Aviation is. So, but we're looking at, okay, so going back, the Aviation is 40 proof, 20% alcohol volume. The Cosmopolitan is also 40 proof, 20%. The Old Fashioned is 70 proof, 35% alcohol volume. Mm-hmm. And the Espresso is 40 proof, 20%. So the Old Fashioned, which we said smelled the richest, is definitely the strongest.
Yes, definitely.
As bourbon whiskey does.
Did we do what's on that one?
Oh, Aviator. I'm gonna give it. I gave the Cosmo an 8, right? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna give the Aviator an equal 8. They really did taste almost the same to me.
I like I'm gonna give it a 9. I will say though, after 4 shots, I am feeling pretty warm. I can starting to hit a little bit.
Yeah. I feel fine. I feel fine. If anything, I'm just still feeling the aftershocks from that Old Fashioned because that thing is rich. Oof. It's the kind where, like, if you burp a little, that's what's going to come back out. Guaranteed. Well, guys, that concludes our review of the space food / cocktails. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button. We like to see if you're even liking the content.
Yes, and again, these are all from my Aunt Susan, so thank you, Aunt Susan. Yeah. If you see our videos, we do appreciate all of the stuff. We do have more coming up next weekend. We have a couple more things we want to test out for you, but we'll do it on the weekend. Yeah, and we may be coming from another hotel on one of our reviews as well. Ooh, we like hotels. Yeah. So until then, if you also want to subscribe when you know when new stuff's coming out, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like if you like our videos, and also always let us know if you want to see us try something. We're always game. Yeah, and if you want to be notified, make sure you also ring the bell. All right. You guys have a great night, and as always, we'll see you later. Till next time. Bye.